In this tutorial, I'm going to show you quickly and easily how to update games on your PS5. So what you want to do is go to the game that you want to update. And once you're here, go ahead and hover over the game as you see I'm doing here with Astro's Playroom. And then go to your PS5 controller and go ahead and press the Create or Options button on the right-hand side of the controller. That will bring up these settings here. Go ahead and select Check for Update. And if there is an update for the game, it'll say, here's the update and it's been added to the queue. If there is not one, you'll see this here that says this game or app has been installed to the latest version. Now, in order to see the updates that are actively happening or things that are being downloaded, you can just push the PlayStation button on your controller and it'll bring up the options on the bottom of the screen here. Go to the downloads option, which is this one that looks like an arrow pointing down, and it'll show you all of the recently installed updates as well as the ones that are being queued right now that you can cancel or delete. Hopefully this helped. If it did, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.